Okay, so we know that there's a problem with the scoring tab where at this point of the year it's stalling out and not loading, or if it does load, it takes forever to load because we have so many scores in our system, which is great. That's what we want. The techs are working on it, but here are two workarounds for those teacher observation scores or those scores that you don't need the kids to have all the directions, but you need the data from whatever it is that they did. So the first one is you can take and just create an activity where you add your title, whatever we did, or teacher observation, add the target, and then exit out. And then you can take and do it. You can take and grade it just in this little scoring tab like always. That's one way. The second way is to make a group. So if you click on here, give it a name, hidden group for scores, content area. It really doesn't matter which content area you choose. Specific learners, yes. Colorado STEM, I think that's all you guys see. Grade, I wouldn't choose grade. I would choose your class because I'm going to assume you'd want all your students. You could also do this like I have my level 3, my level 2. I could take and just make my level 2 group or my level 3 group. You click this first button, this second button, and all the kids go over, and then click this hide group from student home pages because this is not anything you ever want the students to be able to click on. Click yes, save it, and then close and go to homepage. Now, when you are here, make sure that here on the instructions tab, you're at hidden group for scores. Flip over to scoring. You can create a gradebook with the standards you want, and you can literally create a gradebook for every single standard in your life because the kids are never going to see this. So I could say hidden score sheet for students, and I could attach all my literacy as well as all my math and everything else to this group. Now, no tasks have been added, but now I can take and do this quick task. Teacher observation, static lab, okay? Select targets, I can choose the target I want. Obviously, I should have done science, I didn't. Anyway, select your target to score and save and close, and it'll show up here for you to do. Then here in the student lab, so I'm gonna do this and then I'll go back erase this. For Emmanuel, when I come into my target browser, which is where you really should be updating your student scores, it'll show up here as an evidence for him as something that he has done, and it'll be a part of this trend scores so that you can go ahead and update. Notice how easy it is to update the scores with these cute little buttons here. It makes it real simple. It takes an aggregate. Linear is over time, so the ones you've done most recently count for more than the ones you did long ago. Power law is a Marzano thing, and then average is just a true, add all the scores, divide by the total number of evidences to be able to get their overall. Hopefully that helps you guys to be able to get those last scores in and get things updated.